Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing mud crank. That's the first and only ATV trail riding facility in Singapore. It's located a few kilometers outside of the city on a farm called Kranji. So to travel here, you either come via bus or a private transportation, that is either a taxi, Uber, or whatever. To get back, you use the same route. I suggest you organize your transportations before coming to this area. I had so much fun with my friends doing this activity while in Singapore. When you're in Singapore, don't forget to stop by in Kranji Farm to do this activity. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.